Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful blogger layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the blogger layout pack for Divi. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. Really clean, modern, and you can use this basically for any kind of personal website that you want to set up. So if you really enjoy this layout pack and you want to lay your hands on it, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the blogger layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack, all available in Divi for free, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. Now this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover each and every layout for yourself without actually installing it on your website first. So say for instance you really enjoy the landing page and you want to get started with it, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now when creating a new page, you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. We're going to browse through our pre-made layouts by clicking on the purple item. And over here we have all of our different layout packs. Again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the blogger layout pack. Click on it, select a layout of your choice, and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content, and from that point on you can start modifying everything to make your page ready to go live. So of course you can modify written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also use Divi's built-in options and efficiency features to make changes to your page design. So say for instance you want to create a sticky effect with these different categories over here. You can do that easily by opening the section settings first, and we're going to generate some space at the bottom of this section where the row can move in freely. So we'll add some bottom padding, let's say 200 pixels or just a little bit more, 300 pixels. And now that we have that space, we can allow this row to move in it freely by opening the row settings, going to the advanced tab, going to the scroll effects. Over here we have sticky position, and we're going to select stick to top. And the bottom sticky limit is going to be these sections. So as soon as this section ends, the sticky effect will end as well. And just like that, we have this cool effect being applied to our page. And you can basically do that with each and every element, each and every option. So go ahead and discover Divi and all of the beautiful features that allow you to create advanced websites and create stunning web design. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.